Excuse the mess. I didn't bother to clean up for this, but yeah, we're pretty happy with these. It's Sharp brand, right? And there's this part that kind of, you just flip it down, and then you're always going to be hitting open close. I kind of wish there was a better way to open it up, or a quicker way. The other thing is to close it. You can start to push it, and it'll go in. So that's nice, but yeah, that's how you open it. And then the other button I always hit is just 30 seconds. I just hit that however many times you need to hit go. I do use the popcorn. You know, I'll stick in a bag of, you know, microwave popcorn, hit popcorn, and it does it perfectly. You know, I gotta say. So the melt soften for butter. It always seems to overcook the butter. Yeah, what else can I say? Yeah, it's a microwave. It's pretty nice how the drawer comes out. I love having it down low. I was unsure at first, but you know, it's better than having it up high, I find. You just set your thing in here, close it, and you cook your thing. And then you can just flip that out of the way if you want. And yeah, I love having it down low. I'd recommend this to anyone. So we're happy with it.
Beautiful microwave. I really love the way the controls are recessed into the microwave, so it's not in the way. Very easy to operate, open and close. Fairly quiet.
Try again.